Hey, what's up? In this video, I have the Dell G16 laptop, which I would be just unboxing. It's not a review, it's just unboxing and the first look how the laptop looks like, the finish and all that, and what's inside this box. So that's all for this video. I just got the seal now to make it easy. Alright, so this box is quite big. It's not a fancy box like Apple that you get with Apple, but it's okay. So, oh my god, this is huge. Yeah, 340 volts. Sorry, 340 watts charging station or charger. And the cable, UK Ireland cable, and then this one goes to your laptop. But this is huge, 340 watts I guess. I read it online. 330 watts. This is a 330 watt charger. So this laptop doesn't even need that much. But if this charger will result in fast charging or something, then it's okay. I have no complaints. Alright, so that's all actually. There's some manual inside. 1 second. Yeah, some safety manuals, not that important for this video, I mean. Alright, this is the charging box, this is the cable. Actually, that's all in the box, nothing else. Okay, so this. Alright, I'll keep it here for now. So this is the back side. Let me see how it's visible. Yeah. And this is the front side. Metallic finish. Oh, why did they give this purple? And in the video it wasn't looking this bright, but in real this purple looks quite bright. Anyways, on YouTube you either see blue and purple and the orange lighting, so maybe it's okay. I'm not a big fan of purple, but let's see. Okay, they have given this kind of a cloth to protect the screen. So this is for the power button. This one, there's nothing this side. Alright, let's keep that aside for now. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a chunky laptop. It's not the prettiest laptop, but the configurations and the price and it's Dell's reliability, for those things I got the Dell. Because this was on offer, I got it around 1520 euros. I had the extra corporate discount as well for 5%. But now it's 1900, around 1900 euros in Ireland. I got it from Dell.ie. So it was a good deal. So this one is 1 terabyte SSD, 32 gig of RAM, 4070, 240 Hz display, and it's QHD plus, so yeah, quite good. So seems plastic to me. So these are the ports. I thought it would be metal. It's plastic. Alright, let's switch it on. If there's battery. I think there's no battery. I have to put it on charge. Oh no, okay. Yeah, turned on. I hope it's not this slow later. Yeah, display looks good so far. So this is a single zone RGB, not the multi-zone, so that was €100 extra, and it had the mechanical keys as well, but I read online these keys were fine, so I didn't want to pay €100 extra for just the keyboard for multi-zone. I anyway just have a single color on my keyboard whenever I turn on the light, so it didn't matter to me, but if you want you can go with that and pay extra €100. I was hoping they would have a version for 4080 because I wanted to get the 4080 with the G series, but they didn't have a model, at least in Ireland website. Okay. Alright. So the display looks quite good. Yeah. Resolution is nice. I just hope it would have been OLED. Then it would have been great. But display is fine.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U or select.
Alright. I won't bore you with the setup and all, so maybe I'll make a second video showing all the benchmarks and running all the tools or games and see how this performs. Alright, this is it for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.